Coffee time's over. Sorry fellas.
5 more minutes.
Oh, I'm wrong. You want it right here, do you?
Now you told us coffee time's over, you'll wait 5 minutes. Just, yeah, pull on straight in, mate.
Straight in?
Yep, just on the
okay.
coffee stand and we'll do it now for you.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, warrant and registration, $609. Paid it on the fricking F-Boss, so I didn't have to pay the surcharge. We're doing another $10 surcharge, so we're off, next stop. This is what Nelson looks like on a Saturday morning. Sumo coffee. Yay! People, oil change is in progress, so it's nice and easy on this bike. The drain plug is underneath, it pops out, there's a hole in this bash guard, so that's easy, and then the filter comes off here, lefty loosey. That's where we're at the moment. Apparently according to the book it's about 3 litres of oil to fill it up with a filter. So let's go, let's get this done. Okay, this is a critical part. Do not put oil in your engine before you start it, or else it turns the gears. Oh, yeah, be slow going. Okay, so oil re-refined, but it definitely needs to be disposed of correctly. So this can go to recycle centre and they'll either re-refine it or they'll dispose of it correctly, or they'll make something out of it. I don't know exactly. Sit up there and leak in there while we... Electric engines are going to be great, aren't they? Right, we're still got a litre in here already. Oh, can I have a look at your weed whacker, please? Still going slow. Okay, we're getting closer. We've got oil on the oil in the sight glass now. Okay, we're getting close there, so let's just take a break and we'll fire it up, let it run, let it settle. Yeah, we're going to come up with a low oil pressure until it gets pressure. Okay, so oil pressure light went out. And all the oil disappeared out of the sight glass. It's all gone in. So we'll just give it a few minutes to just come right. We'll pop a bit more oil in it and then we'll take it for a quick test ride, and that should be done. So what you'll definitely want to do is just take your time on this. It's a hell of a lot easier to put oil in than take it out, so just top it up incrementally. Now I've got a full sight glass now, so I'm going to run it as per the book says, 3 minutes on a flat surface, turn it off for 3 minutes and then recheck it again and top it up if need be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Test ride is always good, and then of course check that your oil filter's not leaking and you've got that sealed up right. Okay, so we're back here again, and as you can see we are sitting on full, and I just check that. Why did that feel greasy? So when I put it on I didn't clean it, so I have to recheck that again after we test ride. Let's go. Lily. Wooden boat. Only Dunedin. Oh. Some work to be done on that. Pretty cool if you got the money and the time. Okay, home safe and sound, and that's always the aim, is to get home alive.